Hey guys, so for as long as I can remember, I have always been passionate about two things. One, sharing the hope that I have because of my faith with other people, and second is science. So that second passion led me to pursue an undergraduate degree in molecular biology and chemistry. And at the time, I absolutely had no idea what I was going to do with it. So after graduating, I took a year off just to work in the medical field, to pray, to really try to discern what was next for me. And after kind of struggling through that decision and not feeling like I had any clear direction, I decided to go to medical school. So I went to medical school, and during that first year, it became really clear to me that this wasn't something that I was passionate about, but rather I really wanted to mentor and disciple high school students. And so I quit and moved back to become a teacher. For me, high school was a time of really incredible growth, and I was really involved in an organization called Young Life that kind of connected those two passions of my Christian faith and mentoring and discipling students. So I was really excited to teach, to combine my idea of science and the excitement for that with my love for students and helping them grow. So yeah, that's why I decided to teach.